Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here. If you've ever wanted to have a rule set up to play a sound automatically for a user's first chat message of your stream, then this is the import rule for you. First of all, head on over to aitum.tv/imports, scroll on down and hit download next to the first chat sound item, and then download the file from the Google Drive. Next, it's time to load up Aitum. Inside the app, head to the rules section and click on Import Export on the top right of the screen. Click on Import and then drag or select the file we have downloaded before. In the wizard, you'll want to select your OBS integration. Next, select the audio device you want the output of the sound to come from. And finally, select the sound file you wish to play as the final item. And that's all there is to it. Now your Aitum will check the Twitch chat message to see if it's the user's first message per stream, and if it is, it shall play the sound you have chosen for each stream.
Hello there.
If you wish for the list of users' first chat message not to renew each stream, then just disable the clear list at the end of stream rule. This means the sound will only play for the first time the user actually sends a message in chat and doesn't reset each time you end your stream.
Hello?
Now you can celebrate someone appearing in the chat for the first time with this simple import rule. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any issues or want to show us something very cool that you have made with Aitum, please join the Discord or follow our Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.